All right, here's my demo for this lab. 1 increments, 4 decrements, and same thing, 2 increments, 5 decrements, 3 increments, 6 decrements, and this is hours, minutes, seconds, and then 0 is the control. Okay, so now we're going to test, see if the hours, yep, and we have wraparound. And then same thing for the minutes. We could decrement the minutes. They'll go to 59, 58, 56, 55, 54, 53. And we can increment that. And then we can decrement the seconds, or we can increment the seconds. And then we can also change the AM or the PM.